Tell Lindsay the funny part about how we were really not going to do the laundry room at all when we started to do it.
Yes. So,
and it was like the first thing you did.
Yes, that is very much. It was going to be the last thing.
I love it.
When we were doing the flooring, we were putting flooring throughout the house, and I didn't want any transitions going from one room to the other room. So, as I was, going throughout the house, I got to the laundry room, and I stopped and I was like, listen, I'm going to have to do a lot of cuts around the walls that are currently here. We knew that we didn't like the current laundry room, but what if we, what did we want to design here? Because I don't want to throw down flooring, then to have to replace it, a year later. So let's look at this right now. So that's how the laundry room started, is by the flooring getting to that area.
And then we said, okay, let's just lay down the floor. We'll take out the things that we don't like, but we're only going to lay down the floor. And we're going to live with the laundry room, however it looks, until we're done with the entire flooring on the main level. No,
that didn't happen.
Right.
Yeah, that didn't happen.
So let's hold on a second. What kind of flooring did you lay down?
We put down LVP. We put down 9x60 planks. We chose it. We were looking for a while because when we moved in, they had 3 different styles of flooring in here. They had carpet, linoleum, and pergola. All 26 years old, all mismatched in color. So we went throughout and we're like, okay, what is the best thing for a family of 6 and a dog in Minnesota with salt and sand? So we started laying down. We went out, researched LVP, and
so Pod Posse, just to remind you, LVP stands for luxury vinyl plank.
Yes. So
it could also be LVT because they like to put tile.
Oh yes.
Instead of plank.
Yes.
Carry on.
Yes. So we found a color that we liked, and we found a pattern, and just started ripping out the old flooring and systematically putting in new stuff throughout.
He makes it.
I mean, it's kind of like you've got to do the whole thing. It's a slippery slope. You can't just do the laundry room, which I think is what you found.
Yes. We started in the dining room, putting it down, came across the front of the house into the office, and then started working back towards the kitchen. And then because I didn't want transitions, we got to the laundry room. It's like, okay, I don't want to transition here, so let's design the laundry room.
Needless to say, because he did not want anything to be wasted, he designed the entire main level first on his computer to ensure no transitions, no leftovers.
Where the planks were going to be laid out and all that. So the planks are...
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And as a stager and a designer, I'm always trying to create more square footage. Where I'm going to pull it out of my you-know-what, I have no idea. But what you did is so smart with no transitions except for an entire flow of the same. You added thousands of square feet. Not thousands, but let's just say
I understand, because it feels that way. It doesn't feel like you're walking in the next room. It feels like an extension.
I love it.
Yeah. So that's how we came up to luxury vinyl planking and getting to the laundry room.